Hi everyone, my name is Tim Brown. Welcome back to my Apple Podcast. For this episode, I want to focus on a special application that you can use to edit your photographs. It's called Snapheal. And Snapheal pretty much speaks for itself. It's a very short tutorial. It's only going to take a few steps, but it's a few steps that can accomplish an awful lot. First, before I begin though, let's recap on some of the latest Apple news. As you know, this past Thursday, Apple announced its education event, which was held at the Guggenheim Museum, and it announced several things surrounding iBooks. On the one hand, you can now publish your own books using an application that's available in the App Store called iBooks Author. It's only available for Lion though, so if you have Snow Leopard, you will not be able to use it. Also, you will notice that you now get iBooks 2, which is an upgrade of the iBooks application, which enables you to access some of these new features. In addition to that, you can also download a separate application for iTunes University for the iPad. And right now, it's only for the iPad, so there are some limitations there. Likewise, viewing publications, interactive publications on your devices is only available for the iPad as well. But of course, we're going to see a boatload of improvements as this new program takes off. Okay, let's go ahead and begin with the feature application for this episode, and that's Snapheal. So if you can all follow me over to my computer screen, I'm going to show you how this thing works. Okay, so we're looking at Snapheal. This is what the application looks like when you first open the application. And as you can see, you don't have a whole lot of options. You have the option to drag your image or load it by clicking on the folder icon. I have an image saved to my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and retrieve that. Okay, what you're looking at here is a photograph of my wife. We went to a fundraising event on this day. I really like the photograph. I like the outfit that she has on. One thing I did not like was this guy who's just sort of cropped in the right hand corner of the photograph. Sure would like to remove him without having to crop the photograph. Snapheal enables you to do that, and it does it fairly simply. What you'll notice here as I rub my finger across the screen is a little ball. It is the cursor that you use, or brush that you use to brush on the areas that you want to erase. And if you look over to the right, you can see here there's an option for diameter, so you can control the size of the brush. It's really that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this size brush, and I'm going to start painting the areas that I want to erase. And as you can see, the areas are turning red, so at least I know where I'm masking out the areas. This is pretty common with applications of this type. I'm going to go ahead along the edges here and just follow this guy's body so that I can completely erase what's there. See, now I need to bring the diameter down, so I'm going to adjust the brush a little bit, and I'm going to go up top here where I have this little tiny collar that I want to get rid of. Okay, I'm pretty much done. Now I'm going to go ahead and click erase. Now this takes a few seconds to process the edit that you just made. It doesn't take long. I'm going to skip this section, and as you can see, voila, the man on the right has been removed from the photograph. And it takes a while, at least 4 to 5 minutes for Snapheal to actually work. And so in order to keep you entertained, Snapheal will show you a range of amazing facts while you're waiting. Just to show you some other features too, there is also the clone and stamp tool, the retouch tool, the adjust tool, the crop tool, and the tool for rotating. You also have the option to launch this app full screen, as well as share your photos on Facebook, Tumblr, Flickr, Twitter, and by email. I hope you enjoyed this short episode of my Apple Podcast. My name is Tim Brown. I'll see you next time.